Does your Dyson V10 sound like a jet engine but pick up absolutely nothing? It's frustrating, right? If your vacuum has lost its lungs, you're likely dealing with the notorious suction stuck issue. It's a common headache for Dyson V10 owners where the machine powers on, but the actual suction power has vanished into thin air. Usually, the culprit is a faulty motor assembly that has lost its ability to generate that signature cyclone airflow. Ignoring this doesn't just leave your carpets crunchy, it puts massive strain on your battery and can lead to a total electronic meltdown. Plus, your broom is getting really tired of covering for its high-tech cousin. But don't toss it in the bin just yet. RoboCare has the solution to get your suction back to factory standards. At RoboCare, our technicians are true specialists who live and breathe Dyson engineering. We've spent years mastering the V-Series architecture, and we know the Dyson V10 model inside and out. While these digital motors are complex pieces of technology, they are no match for our team's expertise. We don't believe in guesswork. Our team uses specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint exactly where the motor assembly is failing. Once the fault is confirmed, we don't just patch it. We perform a precision repair or replacement using genuine components. We ensure every internal seal is airtight and the electronics are calibrated perfectly, restoring that legendary Dyson suction power to factory standards. We've done the work. Now let's see the proof. Look at that. After our expert motor replacement, this Dyson V10 has its legendary suction back. It's cleaning deeper, running smoother, and performing like it's brand new. Don't replace it. Repair it. Contact RoboCare today for expert Dyson service. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.